I'm just doing my damn best over here, guys.
I gotta find straight material here.
Where am I going? What am I doing?
Something is wrong big time, boys.
Something ain't math in there.
Oh, looks like it's down to the wire again, as usual.
And the winner is...
I'm giving you all what you asked for. You wanted me to do a challenge that I wasn't comfortable with. So today, roof framing challenge. Me and our competitor both have exact and equal piles of lumber, as well as exact and equal prefabricated substructures to put our roofs on. And we both have access to all the tools and hardware in my arsenal. In this challenge, I am going to be building something I am not good at building against someone who's very good at building it.
Hey, I'm Justin Macklem. I'm 35 years old. I'm a Red Seal carpenter. I was in the apprenticeship program. I finished my license in 2016, and I frame houses out in the Ottawa area.
The competition looks fierce, I would say. This time, I think Gord has it in for him, so let's see where this goes.
No spray paint, Gord. You have to leave the spray paint can off to the side on this one. It'll be interesting to see if Gord does
spray paint like the hurricane ties or
he
something.
still might pull out the spray paint.
There's not.
I think he's done it in every competition.
It's true.
Gord's a talented guy, but this is a guy that he's going up against that frames all day, every day. That's his bread and butter, right? So let's see where this goes.
So, who's the better roof framer? That's today's episode.